The account you can see on the screen right now is absolutely smashing it on TikTok, making anywhere from 5 to 10,000 a month without showing their face, without using their own voice on the TikTok creativity program beta. And of course, we're going to walk you through exactly what it is this account does. We're going to talk about how much money they are making exactly from the creativity program beta, and so you can understand what opportunities available for you in 2024 to also make a little bit of money on the creativity program beta. We're also going to deconstruct the videos and talk about how exactly they go about making these videos and what opportunity is there for you. So if you're serious about growing your influence on TikTok in 2024 and make a living and potentially even make a full-time living while you are doing this, I can guarantee you, you're not going to want to miss this one. So come with me, let me show you. So in terms of what this page is about, they make videos about interesting, scary, and strange facts. These are random facts ranging from stuff about making dentist appointments all the way to facts you didn't know about Fortnite. They do this in a visually appealing way which hooks the viewer and keeps them watching thanks to the text on the screen, the AI voice, and weird background videos, with the earliest video going back as far as August 2023. Now, before we jump into how much exactly they make, let's quickly talk about the things that they're doing over and over again that keep them growing and making as much money as they are. So in terms of what's working for them, there's a couple of things they do in every video that I've noticed. So for example, they use the same description and 5 hashtags for every video. So they continue to appeal to the same large audience. They also encourage their audience to engage by sharing and selecting what's up. They also use the same spooky background audio, occasionally changing it, but they stick to the same 2-3 songs. In terms of their video scripts, they start by stating a shocking fact and then repeating the video title, so letting the viewer know that they're in the right video. Because of this, as soon as you click on the video, you feel like you're in the middle of the video already. Now, in terms of how we can tell that they're in the creativity program beta, you can see all of their videos are just over a minute long. That is not a coincidence. They know exactly what they're doing. In order for your video to qualify for the creativity program beta, once you've already applied or accepted, the video needs to be at least over a minute long. Of course, if your video is not at least a minute long, it will not qualify for the creativity program beta. Now, jumping into exactly how much they make, according to Social Blade, they received 6.4 million views and 100k likes in the last 15 days. The average creativity program beta RPM is around 50 cents for every 1,000 views. So based on these figures, we can estimate that they make roughly 3,200 every 15 days. Now, even if we deduct qualified views, they're probably still making around over 5k per month minimum. Now, these are just estimates. They could be earning much more than this or slightly less. We also have to take into account that last month they had a video which absolutely went super viral, gaining them 26.5 million views. That one video alone could have made them as much as $10,000 to $13,000, just that one video. We have to also take into account that they are very consistent in uploading content. In the last week alone, they uploaded 13 videos as a minimum. Based on that, they're giving themselves every opportunity to make as much money as they can using the creativity program beta. They're really putting themselves in a good position for this. In terms of how they make their videos, some of the tools used or similar tools will be linked in my description as well, so do check those out if you are interested in supporting them. Number one, in terms of their script, when it comes to the actual facts, you can easily go into Google and type in random interesting facts. You'll see that there's already a bunch of websites and blogs that have the information that you need, as long as you don't carbon copy the exact way that it's presented on those blogs. You can pretty much use those same facts in your videos as well. There's also AI tools like ChatGPT, the internet browsing version, or my favorite tool, which is Google Bard, which is completely free and still browses the internet. These tools will be quite happy to find some facts for you online that you can in turn present on TikTok. Now, number two, in terms of music, that's easy. You just use the sounds that are provided within TikTok, and you can check out what type of music other similar accounts are using within your niche as well, and try and be as close as possible to that, especially the accounts that are doing very well, the accounts that are where you want your account to be. In terms of the background videos, websites like FACELESS.com will provide the weird, stunning, and sometimes beautifully satisfying videos that you need. The good news is that based on what I'm seeing on this account, the videos have nothing to do with what they're saying. So you can pretty much use the same videos over and over again, as long as you just occasionally change them. But it doesn't have to be videos that have to do with what you're talking about, with the facts that you're stating. Number 4, the AI voice. That's another easy one. You can use a tool called 11 Labs. There's also InVideo, which is linked in the description. There's also Pictory, which is another really good one that should be linked in the description. But there's a bunch of options that you have online in order to get some high quality AI voices. In terms of hashtags and titles, these can be easily found using the search bar on TikTok, but the good news is once you settle on the same 5 hashtags and title that works, you can keep using these over and over again. So during initial stages, when you're still trying to find your feet, you can try different hashtags, try different titles, but once you hit the one that works and gains you a ton of views and hits the right audience, you can pretty much just rinse and repeat and use that same title and hashtags on every video, as you can see this account is doing here as well. Now, this is just one example of an account that is absolutely crushing it using the creativity program beta. If you want to see a bunch of other examples that are taking exactly the same steps and absolutely raking it in using the creativity program beta, so you can put yourself in the same position in 2024, check out the video that is on the screen right now when I talk you through exactly what those examples are. I'll see you in there.